NBI reveals it has been tracking the alleged Chinese spy near the Comelec office since April 24. Spokesperson Ferdinand Lavin confirms that seized devices match equipment used for data interception and recovery. Here's the report.
An NBI operation last Sunday supposedly caught Chinese national Tak Hoi Lau red-handed. He was arrested near the Comelec headquarters in Intramuros, Manila, and in his car were hot items. There was an International Mobile Subscriber Identity, or IMSI catcher, that can gather sensitive data and information like text messages, mobile numbers, and calls from mobile phones near it. There were also cell phones, SIM cards, and other gadgets. On Wednesday, Tak underwent inquest before the Department of Justice. He is being charged for violation of the Espionage Act of 1941, as well as misuse of devices and illegal interception and system interference under the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Tak has since denied all these allegations. But for Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino, Tak's presence near the Comelec office validates the findings of last week's Senate inquiry, which exposed efforts by China to meddle in the May elections.
Ang gusto nila manalo yung pro-China candidates. Ang gusto nila ma-repeal yung Maritime Zones Law. Ang gusto nila bumaba yung depensa natin at makuha nila ang Pilipinas at maging probinsya tayo ng China.
NBI spokesperson Ferdinand Lavin, meanwhile, told the big story that they have been monitoring the movements of Tak since April 24. Lavin added that devices recovered from the suspect were consistent with equipment used for data interception and recovery.
It's very possible na they're just obtaining or illegally accessing data. Hindi pa namin clearly ma-establish whether they are selling this data o kung sino yung end user nila kasi nilalabas nila ito. Ang klaro sa amin dito, pinapunta siya dito to take over the operations of a machine.
The palace, for its part, said it will defer to the Defense Department to summon Chinese Ambassador Wang Shilian on this matter.
That is an issue of national security, so we will just leave it at that. We will leave it at that, and we will just have an investigation, thorough investigation on that matter.
The Comelec, meanwhile, assured the public that there is no election data in its headquarters.
And therefore, anong purpose? Yun ang gusto nating alamin. Kung ang impormasyon na gusto nilang makuha ay sa cellphone, sa text, o yung mga tawag, anong purpose? Para po magamit laban sa bawat isa? Para po gamitin para sa mind conditioning? Yan po yung gusto namin pong alamin. And therefore, maghihintay po kami ng report ng NBI sa kung pagkatapos nila magkaroon ng lab test o ng examination nung nakuha ng mga na equipment.